Okay, I'm gonna clean this up before it goes back on. This is the wheel bearing that was bad. It was really loud. Anyway, as you can see, it's really rusty and the seals are all cracked on it. So it was time for it to go. Usually the seals fail, and then once water starts to get inside the bearing, it will start to rust and will make noise. As you can see, there's a bunch of corrosion around this. That's what made it stick into the hub. The bearing should spin smoothly and steadily, but if you try to spin this one, it's hard to turn, but also it gets stuck. It gets to spots that are harder to turn than others. That's the noise I was hearing. Okay, so I'm driving the truck, and usually around this noise I hear a humming noise. And I don't hear any noises, but we'll get to I'm gonna get to a street where I can get a little faster, and then we'll get a sound of what it sounds like going back and forth. So far it sounds good. Alright, so I'm on the highway, and the wheel bearing noise is definitely gone now. It sounds good.